Let's assume that the active document is a variation of work's bill of quantities. Maybe you want to compare this with the project document. Let's select the print manager and add a print node to the standard type comparison table. The comparison table in standard mode allows us to compare two documents only, and the items of the two documents will be compared only if the rate code and the price of the two items in comparison are the same. From the General page, in addition to the options common to all other print nodes, you have specific functions to add the bill of quantities to compare with the active document. The printed document obtained from the standard comparison table is in the classic format. In fact, you can see the items, the columns for project and variation quantities, the variations, price, project and variation amounts, increased or decreased variations, and the variations expressed in percent. The other comparison feature is the advanced comparison table. This allows you to compare two or more documents against each other. So let's say that the active document is a project bill of quantities, or one of several bid proposals, or even a work variations document. In order to compare it with the other documents, simply activate the print manager and from the index just select the comparison table node. The comparison table function in advanced mode allows us to compare the active document with other documents. You can then select the Add Print function, and from the General page, in addition to the options common to all other print nodes, you have specific functions to add and manage the bill of quantities to compare. After adding, you can then decide if all the documents added should be compared with the first, for example, or if the active document, or individually, or whether the comparison should be made with the previous document. The default comparison field is standard. In fact, the items of the various documents will be compared only if the rate code and the price of the two items are the same. To obtain a printed copy, just select the Print button.